Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarana from aforanalytics University, and in this video, we're gonna look at about a software tool which you already may aware of it. You already may use it, and most of your peoples have never heard of it. The software is called Microsoft Power BI. You know, stay tuned. We're gonna look at what is Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is an Office 365 product which comes along with a license. So what it does, you know, so Power BI is an self-service business intelligence tool available in the market. So which is the world's #1 tool now according to the Gartner. So who ranks the software for each segment. So for 3 consecutive segment, Gartner he's ranked Microsoft Power BI is a #1 tool in self-service business intelligence area. So Power BI takes a data from an Excel, or it could be from a database, or it could be from cloud, or it could be from online services, or any type. It could be from anywhere, any applications. It takes data from any application, any source, and build a report in Microsoft Power BI and publish it and share it to other peoples in your organization to utilize most. So let's take for example, you know, let's say you're running a huge retail store or big retail store. So you will have a lot of employees working in the counters or in an area managers. And if you're in CEO for retail store, if you want to understand, how the peoples are performing in your organization. So what is the sales target for each manager? How much uh, how much they crossed? What is the threshold? And also understand how is your company is performing. What is the sales of last year? What is the sales of this year? What is the sales of last month? What is the sales for last week? Granularity. You can compare data from a last 10 year and see how a company is performing in the last 10 years, so we can predict what's going to happen in the next few years. So with Microsoft Power BI you can do these things. You can build the reports. So let me show you so how the report will be look like, you know all right. So let's get into aforanalytics side, Power BI. It's loading. Internet sucks. Okay, so this is the page of aforanalytics. It's a Power BI site. And also we work with clients across the globe on building the dashboards, reports to them. So this is one of a sample report built by aforanalytics. So you can see design and all by aforanalytics. So this one telling us the sales. Let's take a sale for easy understanding. A sales for each month, and you see the forecast over here. That so it's showing the forecast of after the March 2020. So how it's gonna perform. So you can see the different things, the breakdowns, properties, the numbers. So this is a overview of how the reports will be look like. So let me show you another example, maybe for easy understanding. Let me see. Yeah, this is a better one. So here you can see a number of games by publisher. The sentiment by platform. You see PS2, PS3, Xbox 360, and other stuffs. So you see how many. So what are the sentiments for each platform. It has a 63% higher sentiment. And so let's go for another one. As so you have a genre here. If you like to play an action game or a sports game or a platform risk racing game, fighting, so you see the global sales of each genre uh, game, and against the global sale, you see the action games are doing a tremendous work here. It is already crossing this level, and following by sports is also doing a tremendous one. FIFA, cricket, a lot of stuffs, you know. So the least number is action adventure. I think people are not very much bothered about the action adventure games you have seen. So so when you have this kind of dashboard in organization, the people can, a CEO or decision makers in a company can easily understand how the business is running, without a need to switching, to applications to see what is the sales, what is the invoice, who are the vendors. So you can see all things in a single place. You can also see those in a desktop or a laptop or in a mobile also. If you have a mobile, you can install Power BI app. You can easily see these visualizations, these charts, these reports, these dashboards, anything in your mobile, and make a effective decision on time. So Power BI is very much useful for this one. It's a very trending. It has a very high demand in the market. The people are moving to the Microsoft Power BI. Not only the customers, the companies, larger companies, and also the people working in IT software industries. People want to get into a Microsoft Power BI to increase their salary or increase their reputation for whatever. So it's a very active software now. So people are highly engaging, highly using it, never than before. And I dropped this link so you can play around with it. So I dropped this link, and if you're pretty much interested in, if you want to learn Microsoft Power BI, a beginner level, intermediate, or expert level, you can sign up for a course with aforanalytics University. And so let me show you how the course looks like. Alright, so this is the site of aforanalytics University. So you can click here the training, and this will redirect to the Microsoft aforanalytics University site. So here you could see the beginner to expert Microsoft Power BI training. So this is the live classes. It's not a pre-recorded classes. This is the live classes. So online instructor will be teaching you, and you also your team, on how the Power BI works, right? Start from the beginner level to the expert. We can see the registers. So you see the pricing, the batches, the course contents. So a lot of things. And so the most important part here is, so this is the lifetime course. you know so we are very few companies in the market who are providing lifetime online close classes. That means, let's say if you sign up for a course in September 9, let's say, and the course duration is around 2 months 60 days, so you will complete around November 9th. And let's say if you want to do the course again in the January, since it is the live classes, it's hard to do that. If you have any question, you cannot able to ask it. So if you want to do it in the March of 2021, you can take the live classes without no cost. you know you can take it. You can sign up for Aforanalytics University. You can join another batch in the March 2021. You can take up the course. You don't need to pay anything. So it is a one-time fee. And even though if we upgrade Power BI course content, if we add anything new, or if you have a few new features, sorry, new features available in March 2021, you can learn that without no cost. So this we are doing it now. We are very few companies are doing these things. You can sign up for that, and if you want to sign up today, I have a special offer for you. I have a 50% discount of what it has in the site. It is 35,500. I can provide a 50% more discount, and you can use a promo code which I put it in the description box. You can use the promo code and make use of it and get a 50% offer and get a lifetime access to the Microsoft Power BI course, and get a new job or upgrade your skill set, anything. And if you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below, and I would be much happier to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.